In biology, today we will see about the main actually in the starts with the pools. What is pools and WBC and its consequences, and what are the decreasing and increasing effect of WBC, and lastly the blood clotting process. How actually blood clot through the with the help of platelet. Today we will see these things one by one. So let's start with the structure pools. So we'll start with the mean by pools. That is how it is formed. That viscous yellow white fluid that accumulate at site of infection of injury is called the pools. It consists of blood plasma, dead infected cell and white blood cell that had died while killing the pathogen. Pools is formed by action of leukocytes at the site of an infection or injury. Many neutrophils die while this infection and get accumulated as the pools. Now the process of formation of WBC, that is a leukopoiesis, is the process of formation of WBC. It takes place in bone marrow. Now what is the average lifespan of a white blood cell? Average lifespan of white blood cell varies depending on the type of neutrophil. May live for few hours to few days. There is 3 days, or eosinophil live for 10 to 12 days. Basophil alive for few days too. Lymphocyte live for few hours to few years, while monocyte live for few months. Now what is the average white blood cell count? If we see that average blood cell count, that is 4,000 to 11,000 cells per millimeter cube of blood. Now what are the conditions associated with the abnormal WBC count in human? That is abnormal increase of WBC count is called the leukocytosis, and abnormal disease decrease in WBC count below 3,500 cell is called the leukopenia. An abnormal increase in the number of immature abnormal WBC is called leukemia. It leads to leukocytosis. Now if we see the structure and function of platelet, that is thrombocytes are extremely small, 2.5 to 5 micrometer, oval shape, disc shaped bodies covered by unit membrane. They lack nuclei and contain few organelles. Platelet help in blood coagulation. They release thromboplastin or thrombokinase. They aggregate to form a mesh that plugs injured blood vessel. It prevents excessive loss of blood, that is hemorrhage. Now what are the blood platelet formed in body? Blood platelet are formed in the bone marrow. Average lifespan of blood platelet is around 10 days. Average number of platelet, if we see, that is 150 to 400 million per millimeter cube of blood. Now if we see another topic, that is why does not blood clot under normal condition. Blood does not clot under normal condition due to mast cell, that is connective tissue near blood vessel, that is skin, and basophil in blood produce heparin and anticoagulant. The speed of blood flowing inside our body is high, sense flows fast inside the blood vessel instead of clotting under normal condition. At the time of clotting, fibrinogen changes to fibrin only the presence of free O2, but inside blood vessels O2 remain bound to hemoglobin and no free O2 available, so blood does not clot. Now move on to the another topic that is actually most important, that is process of blood clotting. So blood clotting occurs by formation of prothrombokinase, that is thromboplastin or factor 10 is synthesized in the liver using vitamin K. Damaged tissues release factor that activate inactive thromboplastin present in blood to form activated thromboplastin or prothrombinase or thrombokinase. Second is formation of active thrombin, that is inactive prothrombin is converted into active thrombin by prothrombinase and Ca+2 ion. Prothrombinase also inactivates heparin. Third is formation of active fibrin, that is thrombin convert inactive fibrinogen to active fibrin. That is fibrin strands bind to one another and to blood platelet and form a meshwork. This meshwork trap blood cell and prevent blood loss from injured blood vessel. So today up to that, next we will start with the another topic.